I promise. Get it, girl. Dude, this Jill's so cute. They're just spinning, they're dancing. He wants to kick it. You think? Or he's just doing the gin with us. Oh, he's doing the gin with us. He's trying to repair it. You're doing a good job. Look at that. Look at that. You did so good. Alright. Where's last gen? You're welcome. Oh shit, it's done. Oh, I forgot there was an Ash. I'm not gonna lie. I completely forgot. I'm coming. You wanna do a slug race? It's the starting line. You want me here? Where do you want me? What if I low-key want to get Mori'd? Yay, I don't know if Ash... Oh no, he's coming, he's coming. He's coming. Is he? No, he's not. He's leaving. Is he? Or is he coming? No, he's leaving. He's just running around in like a circle.
Maybe he wants Ash. I don't know.
Nah, he's not coming. Jill. What are you doing, girl? He's on the other gate. Oh, wait, you said go. I'm so sorry. I'm like trying to like watch out for this Ash. Okay, we can do it. Are we going? Oh, he's coming! 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 Like, can't he nod? I don't know. He's too scared. I don't think he understands what's happening. I really want Ash to join. Wait, hold on. He's here. No, don't pick me up. No, Ash, come back. Oh, he doesn't understand. Alright, let's just do it. Let's just do it. You say when. I don't think he gets it. Go! Wait, can I get the Mori though? For reals. Can you leave? Oh, he's not gonna leave. Nah, he's like, he's so far away from the gate. Oh, I think he's leaving. I think he's leaving. Does he leave? Yeah, he left. Wait, he left. We can do it. We can do it. Oh my god, yes. Yes. Give it to me. Yay! Oh my god. It is so hot. Thank you. I love a good Mori. You are such a baddie. You are such a baddie. What did you have? Trail. Very nice. Oh, thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. GG's. That was a fun little game. Oh, welcome to the server. How much money do I have? I don't know. How much money do you have? I'm glad you enjoyed. It's nice to have those games sometimes, right? Yeah, it's like a nice little, it's just a nice little break. It's just a nice little break. Alright, let's see if I can set up the sandalite thing while we are queuing for a game. I just want to have fun and bring smiles as Dorito Man. Oh, you're so cute. Oh my god. Never dodge my lobby, ever. You're not allowed. I love that. Ever try to set up customs? Oh my god, should we? I could do like I could make a customs channel in... Absolutely I do, yeah. Are you Steam? No, you're console, aren't you? Yeah. No, wrong thing. Here. Can you see that? You should add me and then we can do some. And I have another spot if anyone else wants to come in as well. Oh, you're on PC? Okay. My Steam. Epic Games. Okay, so you'll just need the normal hashtag then. Top left. No. I hate Dorito Man, but you're a good looking chip, I tell you what. Hi bestie, you disappeared. Yours is Mr. Chrome. Do you have hashtags for it? Or can I just look you up? Does it matter? I'm guessing that's you.
My phone just died, but I might go and see what's happening with dinner before starting another game.
That's
so
okay.
I will leave for now and I'll join back in a bit.
Okay, I'm not sure how long I'm going to stream on anyways, even if I'm not streaming.
Alright, sounds good. Alright.
Okay, bye. And then there were two. I won't do VC just because I don't do it with I only do it with like my trusted friends, just in case. You never know. I feel like I would join with someone and they would say something stupid on stream or something. It's just not worth the risk. Sorry. I mean, Chappie, you're always welcome. You should know that. You're always welcome. 1K hours. Oh, it's Erin. Oh, hi. Oh my god. Oh my god. She's streaming? She's really cute. You guys should check her out. I don't think she's streaming. No, she's not. I want to give her a shout out. It's just Erin Shay Live, isn't it? Yeah. Oh my god, she's so cute. Wait. I'll do what I want. You're not my real mum. Guys, she's really cute. Oh, I did it in capitals. Oh, it doesn't matter. Okay, cool. Yay! Guys, she's adorable. Give her a smooch.